Porter's 5 forces can help you outsmart your competitors and carve out a stronger position in your market. It's like having a strategic GPS for your business. You know the mantra, work on your business, not in your business. Here's how you do it. Now, Porter's 5 forces are a framework that will help you see your competition and your opportunities in a whole new light. And yes, we're doing an MBA style in less than 5 minutes. Now, before you say, Porter's what? It's your crash course in understanding the big picture in your industry. It boils down to this. 5 forces leads to your business's success. They're just the major players around you. Competitors, suppliers, buyers, potential new players, or substitutes for your product or service. Once you map them, you'll see where your power lies. Now here's the part that most small businesses overlook. Substitutes. It's not direct competition. It's anything else your customer could buy instead of your product or service. Selling bread, the substitute could be a trendy low-carb diet or a meal delivery kit. The good news? You're likely already dealing with these forces, whether you realize it or not. This framework just organizes it so you can make smarter, more informed decisions. Let's say you run a boutique coffee shop. Your competitors, the cafe down the street, and national coffee chains like Starbucks. Your suppliers, that premium coffee bean wholesaler who just raised their prices. Buyers, your customers who are just starting to expect free Wi-Fi and loyalty programs. Now, new entrants, that trendy mobile coffee truck you saw last week. And substitutes, anything from energy drinks or people making coffee at home with fancy machines. By analyzing these forces, you might decide to counter, secure a better deal with suppliers, or launch a subscription coffee club to lock in customer loyalty. See how it connects? It's not just about knowing who's out there. It's about finding the opportunities to win your market. Ready to map out your 5 forces? I've got you covered. There's a link in the description. Download your free Porter's 5 forces worksheet and start analyzing your market today.